In the following video, you will learn how to input an accounting entry into FreightWeb's Carrier Optimization Suite. From the landing page or dashboard, click the hamburger menu in the top right and click Back Office. From here, you can click on Accounting. To enter an entry, you'll click the top right button that says Add New Entry. You can select a credit or a positive amount or a debit negative amount and enter the amount here. Select a category. Select Other if you wish to manually type in the category. And select Submit. You will see here, July 30th, that there was an entry of -$500. To view all of your entries in one document, you can download the CSV up in the top right corner.